Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Gmail calls, you're not alone. Today, we'll guide you through updated steps to fix those pesky Gmail call problems. Let's dive right in. First, let's check your internet connection. A poor connection is one of the most common reasons for call issues. Open your device. Settings and click on the network icon to ensure you're connected to a stable network. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data might do the trick. Verify you have a strong and stable internet connection. If your internet connection is stable but the issue persists, try ending the call and calling back. Sometimes, a simple reconnection can resolve temporary glitches. Next, let's look at how to initiate a call correctly. Click on the Google Chat icon, then enter the chat of the person you want to call. Once you're in the chat, click on the phone icon to start a call. Ensuring you follow these steps can help prevent common errors. If the call still isn't working, try closing the Gmail app and reopening it. This can refresh the application and resolve minor issues. Another effective solution is to clear the app cache. From your device settings, find Gmail settings, then click Clear Data. Choose Clear Cache and confirm the step. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted data that might be interfering with the app's performance. If problems continue, try clearing the app data. From your device settings, go to Gmail settings and click Clear Data. Clearing data will reset the app, so you might need to sign in again. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. Restart your device. After restarting, open the Gmail app again. Lastly, ensure that Gmail has permission to use your camera and microphone. Next to the web address, click on View Site Information, then open Site Settings. Under Permissions, make sure both the camera and microphone permissions are enabled. By following these steps, you should be back to making calls in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.